cold today. I'm out here by Union Tap House, about in the 20s. Gonna check out an open house here on Fountain Street, 149 Fountain Street. 4-bedroom, 2-bath, looking to be a possible rental for us. Here it is, right beside, on the corner of Umbria and Fountain Street here. Yeah, it's nice. 7, 9, 10, yeah. 6 by 10, 60 square feet. That's pretty tiny. Yeah. That's fine. Nice. Lots of lawn space. It's a little small for a rental, probably. It's
two of the bedrooms are very small.
The bedrooms are really small.
6 by 10.
Yeah, 6 by 10, and the air conditioners. I don't know how they're gonna do that. These tiny little windows up top. It's a nice little spot. It's probably gonna be better for a single family home. I don't. Okay, walking up the Jamestown steps. We're gonna go check out a property, 4165 Terrace Street, 4-bed, 2-bath, potential rental property. All right, here it is. 4165 right here in the middle. Oh yeah, look at that.
There's a pretty big bump.
Yes. And yeah, this is just all like warped. At least you can do that, exactly.
There's the perk. There's a silver lining.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got an SUV like 2 months ago,
Yeah.
and I was like, oh my god.
Looks fine. Yeah, these look fine. Looks fine. Yep. All right, so just did the tour. That property, 4165 Terrace, is actually exactly what we're looking for, and it's pretty cool. Well, it's only like maybe like a 5-minute walk from our house on Apple Street, so it's super easy to manage too and close. But hopefully we can get the Gettysburg property in this one in the next week or so here.